Hello and hi, I am Mrs. Zuhra. Welcome to this video tutorial. We are building a desktop software solution for Belle Croissant Lyonnais. In this session, we will focus on setting up our environment and project structure. Our main objective for this phase is to develop a user-friendly interface to manage products, featuring options to add, list, edit, and delete items from our catalog. To start, open Visual Studio and create a new project. Search for the WPF application template, select it, and name your project Belle Croissant Lyonnais. Upon launching Visual Studio, select the "Create a new project" option from the Start screen to begin the setup. In the search bar, type WPF and choose the WPF application template for C# from the results list. Now configure your project by setting the name to bellecroissantlyonnais.desktop and choosing your desired file location. For the framework selection, ensure you choose .NET 8.0, which provides long-term support for your application. Once the project is created, your screen should look like this, with the default main window displayed in the editor. Next, we need to install the necessary database package. Right-click your project in the Solution Explorer and select Manage NuGet Packages. In the Browse tab, search for Microsoft.Data SQL Client and install the latest stable version to enable SQL database connectivity. Wait for the installation to finish. The output window will display a confirmation message once all dependencies have been successfully installed. Now, let's organize our project. Right-click the project root and create folders named Models, Data, Views, and Helpers to maintain a clean structure. Your project file should now reflect these new folders and references within the group structure. Inside the Data folder, right-click and add a new class file named database.cs. Finally, open your new database.cs file and implement the connection string and the getConnection method as shown on the screen. Now let's test our database connection. You can add this test code snippet directly into your main window constructor. Run the project to verify the connection. Once you confirm the database connection successful dialog appears, be sure to remove the temporary test code. Moving on to part B, we will create our product model. Create a product.cs file in the Models folder. Define your product class with the required fields like product name, category, price, and others, ensuring you include the specified validation rules. Next, let's create the product repository in the Data folder. This will handle the data access logic. Implement the getAllAsync method within the repository to fetch data from your database, following the provided instructions. Now we update the user interface. Replace the contents of mainwindow.xaml with the product listing layout provided in the project files. With the layout set, update mainwindow.xaml.cs to handle the code behind logic for loading, searching, and sorting your products. We also need an add and edit form. Create a new WPF window in the Views folder named productformwindow.xaml. After setting up the form UI, replace the contents of productformwindow.xaml.cs with the required logic to handle product data entry and submission. Let's verify our progress. Run the application and confirm that the main window loads correctly, with all product data displayed as expected. Test the sorting functionality by clicking the column headers to ensure products toggle correctly between ascending and descending order. Verify the search workflow by filtering products by name or category, and ensure the Clear button properly resets the view. Test the adding and editing workflows to ensure data is correctly saved to your database and reflected in the UI. Finally, check the deletion workflow. Confirm that products can be deleted, and ensure that validation constraints prevent deleting linked records. In this final stage, your goal is to complete the remaining desktop UI modules, such as the order management system. Once finished, we will pivot to mobile development, where we will build the companion Android applications for this project.